Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick and honest review of Talkpal AI in 2025, a language learning tool that has been gaining serious attention. If you have been wondering if it's actually worth your time and money, stay tuned because we are breaking down the pros, cons, and everything in between. What is Talkpal AI? Talkpal AI is an AI powered language learning platform that uses conversational tools and real time feedback to help users practice languages like Spanish, French, German, Japanese, and more. It's built on ChatGPT tech, which means you are essentially chatting with an intelligent tutor 24/7 and it adjusts to your skill level in real time. Pros. Let's start with the pros. Number one, we have immersive conversations. You get to practice real life dialogues with AI that feels natural and adaptive. It's not robotic, it's surprisingly smooth and fun to talk to. Multi language support. As of 2025, it supports over 30 languages and it's expanding, great for polyglots or anyone who wants to learn more than one language at a time. AI feedback and corrections. TalkPal gives instant grammar and vocabulary feedback without being overly critical, making it great for beginners and intermediate learners. Gamified learning. It includes progress tracking, daily goals, and motivational nudges, keeping you engaged without the burnout. Mobile friendly. The app is slick on both desktop and mobile, so you can practice on the go, whether you are commuting, at work, or relaxing at home. Cons. Now, for the cons, we have the limited free access. The free plan is very restricted. You'll get a taste, but real value comes only with the paid subscription, around $10 to $15 per month, depending on the plan, not a full curriculum. TalkPal is not a replacement for structured grammar lessons or traditional courses. It's great for conversation, but you'll still need other sources for reading, writing, and cultural context. Now, the final con is the occasional AI confusion. Sometimes the AI misinterprets what you are trying to say or gives strange answers. It's rare, but it can be frustrating if you are trying to learn something specific. Who is it for? So, who is TalkPal AI best for? If you are someone who wants to practice speaking, improve fluency, or break the fear of having real conversations in a new language, TalkPal is fantastic. But if you are looking for full grammar breakdowns or academic level prep, it's not enough on its own. Final verdict. So, is Talkpal AI worth your time and money in 2025? Yes, if you want a fun, flexible, and AI powered way to improve your language fluency, and no if you are on tight budget or need a full curriculum. Overall, it's one of the better AI tools out there for language practice. Just know what you are signing up for. And if this review helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more no fluff tech reviews, and comment below what language are you learning in 2025. Thank you for watching and goodbye.